Hello viewers, in Instagram, join the beta program not turning on or turning off. Showing this error, something went wrong, try again later. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it, so let's see the step. For solving this problem, just go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app if it available. Now go back to home screen. Open Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Now click on three line icon. Scroll down. Find help option and click on it. Now click on report a problem. Now click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Here, describe your problem in details. After describing your problem, now click on send. Now I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.